Part 37. For this problem, you need to know how to find the volume of a cube and how to find the perimeter of a square. So let's get started. We have a cube with a volume. I'll quickly draw it a little cube with a volume of 729. Okay, you need to know that the volume of any rectangular solid, meaning any solid that has right degrees, right angles, will be length times width times height. In the case of a cube, every side is exactly the same. That's the definition of a cube, that it's a square on each side, and a square always has sides of equal length. So imagine that we're plugging in the same distance for each of these. Side times side times side. Then the volume of a cube is side cubed, okay, which is a little bit simpler than the length times width times height. So now, we know that the volume is 729. So we know that that equals side cubed. We know that the sides times itself 3 times will equal 729. So now, to solve for the side, we're going to take the cube root of both sides. And in this case, it just means figuring out what times itself 3 times will equal 729. So 729 equals side times side times side. Okay, so this is going to take guessing and checking. So if you want to pause the video while you figure out what times itself 3 times is 729, then you can do that. But I'm going to show you that when you get to guessing and checking with 9, then it's 9 times 9 times 9. That's going to work because 9 times 9 is 81. And 81 times 9 is 729. All right? So 729, we know that our sides are each 9. 9, 9, 9. So now if we're looking for the perimeter of one face, so I'm just redrawing, like, for example, this one face of the cube. We know that each side is going to be 9. So the perimeter will be 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, or 9 times 4. And if you do that out, you will get 36 centimeters. And that is your answer.